How's it going, everyone? I'm Cameron, and this is From Scratch.
What a wonderful world.
So today we're going to be making the fried pickles served at the Carnation Cafe located on Main Street, USA at the Disneyland Park. We're also going to be making the Zesty house sauce that comes on the side. Here are all the ingredients we need. Let's get started. Okay, so before we get cooking, always remember to wash your hands. First things first, we're going to want to make the sauce. The reason being is that it has to sit in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to chill. And to do that, we're going to need a teaspoon and a half of Sriracha. I'm just going to do a little squirt. And then we're going to need a half cup of ranch. And we're also going to need a third cup of mayonnaise. And then we're also going to need a teaspoon and a half of lime juice. It's alright to add a little extra. It won't hurt it too bad. So half a teaspoon. And finally, we're going to want to add salt and pepper, just a little bit. Okay, thoroughly combine until completely mixed together. It'll be this orange pinkish color. Once that is thoroughly combined, you're going to want to wrap it in either tin foil or saran wrap, up to you. Once you have that covered, we're going to move it over to the fridge. Okay, moving on to the pickles. So here are the pickles we're going to be frying. Here is half a cup of all-purpose white flour. Here is 3 completely beaten eggs. And here is half a cup of panko breadcrumbs alongside a third cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. So to get the pickles ready for oil, you're going to want to take the spear and just gently cover it with the flour. Once you get it pretty well covered, you're going to want to kind of shake off the excess and then move it over to the egg. Once it's in the egg, once that is completely covered, you're going to want to throw it into the breadcrumbs. Get that all nice and covered and delicious, and hide your mistakes, and then that should be ready to go. Now, I'm going to fast forward the rest of this process because I'm sure you don't want to watch it because it's pretty boring. Okay, here I have 2 cups of canola oil heated to about 365 degrees. Check right here. Be very careful when using hot oil. This stuff is very dangerous. And if any water gets in or around the oil, it'll pop and it can start a fire. Here we have, it's at 360. It's about 360, 365. That's perfect. Okay, so with the pickles, you want to carefully place them in the oil and only do about 1 or 2 at a time so they're much easier to manage. I'm going to drop them in the oil. And then you're going to leave them in the oil for about 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. So once the pickles are nice and crispy, you're going to want to pull them out with either a slotted spoon or some tongs, and you're going to want to move them over to a plate with a paper towel on it so that it can dry properly. Ooh, these are crispy. Okay, so well, there you have it. Fried pickles from the Carnation Cafe at Main Street, USA at the Disneyland Resort. Remember to like and subscribe to this video, and if you have a suggestion for a theme park food you want me to make in the future, please leave a comment down below. And until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.